So here's how you can back up contacts in your Samsung mobile phone. So let me show you how you can do this. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So there are actually more ways how you can approach this. My favorite method is by opening up the built-in Samsung Contacts app and tapping on the three lines for more options where I can click on Manage Contacts. And what I like to do is to click on Export. So when I click on export, I'm going to select all of them. So all of my contacts will be put together in one file, and this is going to be saved in the internal storage. So every once in a while, I like to back up my contacts like this, meaning that I export all of them and save them in my Files app. So when I go to the files, you can see I have the contacts.vcf, which is the vcard format for contacts, and this is where they are stored. If I ever want to restore them or move them somewhere, I can always click on the Manage Contacts and import the contacts, and I can select those files which I previously exported. So that's how you can store multiple contacts and kind of like back them up locally. What you could do also is to sync your contacts, meaning that you make sure that you also save the contacts on a cloud storage attached to one of these accounts. Depends on if you are signed in with a Samsung account or a Gmail one, right? You can connect those and decide that all of the contacts are going to be back to the cloud storage. So that would be another approach. And this is probably more convenient, so it depends on you, but that's how it works. So yeah, that would be about it. If you have found this video helpful, just let me know what you think below by hitting the thumbs up and using the comment section. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.